mommy, every time they come on live and then show me
I'm feeling the mind your uncle, you're a celebrity, a bad mind, them are one.
Yeah. As you this evening, I'm there Tony now and girl, she come. I text said for me about Rosalie, and I say, go, I don't want to hear him frying about Rosalie. And she go, and she want to argue with me. But she was saying, Manor Park. Every minute I was saying Manor Park, so I have the park business. Then I have to tell me about the park.
Uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle, tell them to you gone global. Warm to them. Control, uncle. Control and bad mind.
Yeah, every minute I tell you about park. I believe it's in Cotta Park. Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen. Tell that game no. Someone talk about Marco came to Panama. If Marco never came to Panama, I still go to Panama next month. And yeah, everything I got about Panama. Top of the scream, guy. Top of the scream. Get the speed now and two donut to two different persons. We have got a thing right, my friend. That's yes. Thank you for the donut. Thank you for the donut. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, blessing. Thank you, thank you.
And I need to join my team, guys.
Whatever you take for mascot, whatever you take for mascot. You look at me a mascot lady, you stop it. Don't do that to me. And then you tell me you say like tell me that go run away. But Frosty, Sharon, that lady from England, let me a mascot. But she want because people let me an idiot. And then you know what she do? She send file document come to me. I say, what is my name? What is my name? Frosty. You saw them people wicked. Only if you stop it. Only if you stop them, someone not deal with you. You think me a big mind, I'm not careless. Eh? Yeah. Don't stop it. You know, the lady here. Listen to the lady talk. Let me a mascot. Let me a mascot. Call me coming on the blue from England. When I come on my friend England, my friend said, Derrick, you must have mad somebody. Don't what me don't never do nothing for nobody. Like you want come set me up. I said you want to come set me up. You know wicked. You know wicked. Don't try it like you want to set me up. She don't want answer, no, she don't want answer. She dumb. If you stop it. See her here? You see her face here? You see her face here? See her face here? And she have set me up. When I ask her, I say, where the she said she don't know cash up, but me don't know say England carry cash up. Me know she let she tell me lie. If you stop, no stop. See her face of people from England. See me, but she come from England. If you stop it, man. Stop
Pay
it.
them no mind.
Stop it. Don't try
Pay
to
them no mind.
use nobody. Yeah.
Them a
See her face, yeah. She almost shut up. She can't talk. She dumb.
Right.
She a dummy. See her, yeah? Dumb.
Accept him a junker. Don't pay she no mind to do it.
Me say you wicked, you know, wicked girl.
I want to find you with me now.
I tell me what cuts people are foreign, you know. When they come kill me at Jamaica. Come hurt me,
Don't pay
wicked.
no mind. But your song soon take off. Don't worry. Everybody have vibes to your song up in New York. Tell them to go ahead. Tell them to you gone global.
But she come, she mama cause people are cause one man fear, but if you come hurt me at Jamaica.
I'm gonna see the match done. Too bright, man.
Yeah. Them too wicked.
Yeah, man. Don't pay them no mind, uncle.
Yeah,
What's the
mistake.
art
You
behind
take it
guys?
wrong, no. You take the money away. Ross, why shall take the money away? You think Brad self. Yeah, take the money
Don't pay
away.
them no mind. Them a Satan.
We don't yeah. The girl give me the information. All the girl put, the girl give me 5. If you never move something, I'm not sure where the wicked girl say. Onion spell SSANIA. I'm not telling the wicked girl name.
Something like a Shana.
Shana, a wicked blood class, Shana wicked.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Come guys, send me some gift, guys. Tap up the screen.
Boss, one wicked girl and Shana. Shana, one because somebody have foreign hearted. But, what me say, where is someday? Frosty with our wicked self.
Send a gift, guys. All you have to do, don't pay them no mind. I told them why you for cuss. Tap up the screen and share the live.
You're black and no, you're thief, you're criminal, you're bitch, you're orphan England, you're old girl. When I come to England, I look for you because you're old. It's a old girl. When I come to England, I'm a old girl because you're old. You're Salamite, you're old girl. My friend said, we're calling it England. You're over in front of England. Every time I come to England, I'm going to hold you. It's so wicked. I'm going to block your phone. It's so wicked. Old girl. A whore. No, I'm like a old girl. She's a whore. I'm going to block her number. She have to go down, she have to look at war.
Get Uncle some gift, man. Tap up the screen and get Uncle some gift. Come on.
Them.
Money gun for Uncle at me. Get Uncle some gift, man. Get Uncle some money gun. Money gun for Uncle. Come on. Our universe.
Tap up the screen, guys. Tap up the screen. People like that shirt me say them a go send man a town to me. I go send gunman a town to me. Yeah, they're not gonna come on more town. Yeah. Wicked people them.
Are you in town? Nobody can stop you from come at town. You know that already.
Eh?
A long time you got town before town popular like now.
Yeah. This some
Long
wicked
time.
me see some wicked people come. See some of my enemy there, pan black them some of the enemy there. Conrad, Batty Pleat, and Bad Money. Actually, with them here, so now I come like you're in an argument with them. So she just want to trade them here, so block them. Let them for your page.
Right.
Tell them, man, you don't want to
stop it, man.
You don't want to dead flowers, Francis.
Stop it. Leave Uncle alone and send him some gift. No stop it.
Yeah, see them come on your page, yeah? See them come on your page, yeah? Great Conrick. The banal the friend Fran him. But the banal the friend Fran him.
No leave Uncle alone, man. Make him survive. And they say Uncle go flirt and plane and come back. Leave Uncle alone. If Uncle never arrived, he couldn't left the country. Left him alone.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Uncle.
Them now know if we go we send them on TikTok I make problem.
Please and come.
Them now know if we go send them on TikTok make be a problem. When I look on them.
And if you stop it, because of Uncle, and if you stop it, man, stop it. Sing him song. Leave Uncle alone, man.
But if I'm not paying the mind, when I look on him,
leave him, man. Stop it, man.
Me sweep on the garbage, miss. Me sweep on the garbage business. Put me on the garbage. They are garbage. Then look on them.
Panama, everybody around you rush you. And I talk to you nice. Nobody never treat you bad over there. Everything was good over there. As you come back down, you sound start from the man.
Yeah. Panama people, Spanish them. Alright. We talk to them and we understand when we talk.
They love you, man. They may not see it. Right. I go there about 30 years ago, I go there. That's some warm people, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I got about 30 years ago. Yeah, man.
I'm going to take a picture with that Spanish girl them over there. I got a canal. I watch his stripper. When stripper come in to the canal. Yeah.
Yeah, the Panama Canal. We know it. Don't have colon in name. Colon.
Yeah.
Come on, tap up Uncle's screen. Send him some gift. Come on, tap some roses. Send me 2 gifts same time I send Uncle too.
Yeah, but Jamaica people them work there.
Yeah, man. I want for Jamaican over there. Whole heap.
Them nation in other Russian country know say you are Jamaican.
But remember say you're popular in your uncle, so anybody are gonna know you. You think none of them popular like your uncle? All up in New York, you carry a fly past me and sing your song. Whole heap of people are sing your song, your uncle. You sang festive up in New York here. No leave him alone, man. Him soon boss, no worry. Don't worry, yeah, Maka will get interview up in New York here. Don't worry. Don't follow them. At that time, them will cost you. We just start get them interview and them big and gap and them big show. Don't leave him alone, man. I'll stop it.
I talk, but Maka came up Panama. I don't go Panama a long time. I'm pretty long time. Me have a song say Panama.
Right, remember.
Long time I go Panama.
Right.
I say me not gonna November. The month me I go the 24th of November. Me say me not go Panama. I'm Maka. Let me come up say I go
Panama.
Came and I came with them. Cause me and my plan a long time. So me I go Panama. And
What you mean? Things are going for you, uncle. Don't worry, things are going for you.
I mean, I'm wicked to like some people that are there. They run enough time I say Derrick run, I go through bad, I go through no bad.
Don't pay them no mind. See all of them too bad if you go come back here now.
Yeah.
Cause government tap give them things. Them have to come right back. Don't pay them no mind. No worry. Them will give the. It's like when you're popular. If you go for embassy, you get your visa. Remember me tell. I just go where them will ask for Uncle Derrick this. And you just say yes. I just go where them ask for Uncle Derrick this.
Yeah.
Tap up the screen.
Tap up the screen, guys.
Tap up the screen,
Tap up the screen, guys. Tap up the screen, tap up the screen, guys. Don't follow the people, them. Don't follow the people, and all the people, them. If I make it a big shot actor.
Right.
If she was a big actor, she was a I share every day, I get him across people. She was a foreigner.
You won't have time.
You won't have answer. People that rush you. When she was like a foreign.
That's who you talk, Uncle.
When she was like a foreign, what about producers that take she was a long time and make me go to Hollywood. If you're not good actor, you're going to Hollywood.
Nobody no want Shabada Hollywood. That's what they are. Then I'm more take.
Of course.
Uncle. Don't pay them no mind.
She wanna know to me about friends.
You know, hear me say?
Hollywood, I work Hollywood. Not player. What do? My mom with the little actor in a picture actor with that fire. The reason I left Jamaica, I have a picture of fire.
Them something there. Don't pay them no mind. Anytime you take the new... Anytime you take the jet blue, then know him how shit up himself, Uncle. Anytime he is, you go to New York. Because you are going to New York. Remember me tell you that, Uncle.
You got to go gross here now.
You don't fly out, man. You fly out to New York. Come here, you said that already, you know.
Then there's one woman, there's one Christian woman, one pastor woman pretty say, one Panama, one pastor woman.
What you say?
She not sure that pretty to Panama at the church. Yeah. And he said, Father.
Sonny, please send a gift.
He said, he claimed that Derrick have to go to Panama. That he said.
Right. And that's the first place I'm going now. And then give me my visa to come to New York. The first place I go, Panama.
All right. I that for a long time now.
That year. Once you go to Panama. Gift guys for uncle and send gift for me. Come on, get uncle 2 money gun. Uncle money gun in the Saturday evening. Uncle, make you put in a last week. If you stop it. I'm not complaining about you. Stop it, man. In a war again. I wish you do, Derrick. I wish you do, uncle.
Who?
You know what? You see that nice man.
Who that?
Miss Bling, I know if you follow the piece them, you know.
Every day, I feel a problem that, you know, something you can't get rid of Miss Bling, Miss Bling and mix up. And that's a fear business, that's how she make fear like money up from.
That's what I say. And she soon come back and talk to you, man. You know, say that's how she's there.
She out here, she come out, she did a funeral, she come out for her auntie funeral. I'm playing no man alone. Thank for the money gun. She says she has sing pan. She already pan.
Oh, you can get money gun.
She says she already pan
money gun to no man on that one, sir. Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
She says the pants too. Then I put her pants thing.
Yeah, make up on the sing this song. Then go to
Not
put
me
your
not go
back up
pan.
on if you sing the song, man. Oh, you don't want to go on it?
Yo.
Oh. Punch. Stop it. Him not. Don't forget. Stop it.
Top of the scream, guy. Top of the scream.
More money gun on universe.
Top of the scream, guy. Top of the scream.
On universe. Come on. Stop. On universe. Him name Island Boy. Send Uncle Money Gun. How much now I live in life? Uncle no business with them.
The man, you see the man, you see the
I put the
man,
screen.
the man, they pay 11 and shock him the batty man. So them stay.
Some roses.
Yeah, don't find them.
No, them already, man. I feel me people, them not.
I saw them stay.
I want to see them attack to you nice.
Yeah, you don't look on them.
Hey.
You don't look on them.
Yeah, look at last week on the last week on the Panama. Don't pay them no mind.
Yeah.
I put the screen, guys, and I give one money gun.
Top of the screen, guy. Top of the screen.
6.5.